So, Boanna is ill again. Today's the day. I'm gonna collect a BMW M2. We've got my brother Alfie.
It's hurting.
There you go. Wait, look. Look at the camera. We're gonna document this. God.
Oh my god.
Dean.
Idiot.
Dino, big nose. So we're on the way to Brighton. I'm gonna show the cars. Look how excited Boanna is.
Nose burning.
Well, it's just arrived at BMW Worthing. And then here are the cars. So it's my dad's car, slash my brother's car. And then there's my baby, my new baby. We'll go in there and see it properly. Self out. Alfie went in there straight away. Didn't even give us a chance to look at it together. That's the whole point.
Yeah, but it's cute.
So, this is my dad's and brother's car. So the difference is the black tailpipe. You know what? It looks nice in white.
Yeah, it is. It does look nice.
In person, definitely looks nicer.
Yeah, definitely.
Because the white in the photos can look different. Should I open it up? No. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Look at the seat. Let's go look at our baby now. In black, it's really comparison to black. The black's definitely the best colour for it. Because people were a bit funny with all of the shades, I think that it comes together with black.
Yeah, we've got a bond or blue one in it.
Yeah, I've seen that. My neighbour.
It's going to be horrendous, actually. Got loads of people with it. Just
Yeah.
But I think it's one of those ones, after 4 months of driving, everyone's saying, oh, I saw you here. Yeah.
This is so nice. It doesn't feel like
My god, that's
That's what I'm
massive.
saying, it's a big ass boot. It doesn't feel like my car. I'm kind of nervous.
It feels like we're here to just test drive again.
Look at it.
Open that
It's
one.
nasty. Wait. Look how mean it is. With the black. Even the dad's side.
To be honest with you, I still prefer the blue and red in there.
Look at me.
You know, they had a blue and red, and then you chose the.
I know. Get right in there. It's the new steering wheel. It's got armour tyres, got Japanese tyres on it.
Oh, does it say
So that's the
Yokohama? Where is the other one?
Yeah.
It needs to say something.
Or at least they say.
You like it, Jones?
I don't feel like my car. Look at it.
E4, that's correct. It got E4 as well.
You're doing the K card thing.
Yeah. So that's approved. That's EU approved.
It's mental.
See it attack
It
like
doesn't feel
that.
like my car.
It does.
I'm kind of like nervous.
Yeah, that's what I said to you. Can't see how.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, go on, yeah. Nice.
The first stop.
here we are in the M2, new one, LCI, 480 brake horsepower. Whee! Lovely big screen. And we'll see, going up here. I might be in the wrong lane.
But yeah. We went from test driving this car to owning now, so it feels
we
really weird.
mistakenly test drove it and then accidentally bought it. Oh shit. This is nice. Nice interior.
Yeah, so it's been raining, but the day itself is really nice. And yeah, on our way.